Okay, so there are three different types of marbles. You also have the information: removed 54 red, you gave away 40% of the blue marbles, and increased the green marbles by 25%. Okay, so you have the after ratio. The after ratio of red is to blue is to green, which is 3 is to 1 is to 5. Now the first thing I will notice is if I gave away, so I'm going to have this part here. If I gave away for the blue, okay, if I gave away 40%, right, I will be left with 60%. So it means that I will make the blue to be 6 units to represent that 1 unit is 10%. So if I times 6, everything will be equals to times 6 as well. Alright, so I would have my after ratio has changed. I'm still using equivalent ratio, but my total number of units here will be 18 units plus 6 units plus 30 units. I'll be getting the answer 54 units here, which means to say that before, right, I should also have 54 units, but let's try to work backwards. Alright, if this represents 6 units, this will represent 4 units. It means that before, when it first started, the blue has a total of 10 units. So I settled this will be the before for blue. Okay, so I also need to go to my green. Now my green was increased by 25%, and at the end it was 30, so I need to go back to the beginning before it was increased. So if I do it this way, this is the 100%, which is the original, and the 25% that is increased. After increase, there is a total of 30 units. So I need to find back 1% and find back 100%. So I would have 1%, I can have 30 divided by 125, I'll get 0.24. On 100%, it means that I'll get 0.24 times 100. It means that at the beginning, right, the green had 24 units. So I've already found out the green has 24 units. The blue had 10 units before. So the last thing I can find will be to find the red. Now how do I know the red units? I have a total of 54 units because the before and after, the total number of marbles are the same. So if I have 54 units after, I should have also have 54 units before. So 54 units, I minus the blue, which is 10 units. I minus away the green, which is 24 units. I would be left with 20 units. It means that at the beginning, red had 20 units, and after that, the red has 18 units. So the difference in the units is 2 units. So I will continue. The difference, maybe I'll continue here, okay? The difference is 20 units minus 18 units. I have a difference of 2 units. This 2 units is represented by the removal of 54 marbles. So 2 units equals to 54. 1 unit equals to 27. Because I divide by 2. Okay, maybe I show the equation over here. Equals to 27. So the question asks, what fraction of the marbles were red at first? Oh, I have went beyond already, so let me answer part A. At first, the red has 20, and my total number of units is 54, right? So I would have 10 out of 27. This is part A. So part A is here, alright? How do I get 54? 54 is from the total number of units, 20 is from the red over here. So how many green marbles had he increased during the game? Okay, the green, if I focus on the green, right? The green, before it was 24, after it was 30 units. So I will use my 30 units minus away 24 units. I have a difference of 6 units. This 6 units equals to 27 times 6. Because from here, Alright, so I will get 6, 12, 162. So my answer for part B will be 162.